core component of an effective IT service management framework and the successful delivery of services to your customer depends on the acquisition and processing of information. Makes sense, right? So properly instrumenting to the multitude of devices in your infrastructure, and making any sense of the thousands or perhaps millions of messages that those systems can generate or those devices can generate can pose a significant challenge to any IT staff. Keeping pace with technology and delivering to your customers, and more importantly, understanding how your customers are consuming those technologies, whether it be cloud services, big data, virtualization, e-commerce, social networking, contact center experiences, whatever it may be, right? It can pose a significant challenge. Delivering a predictable IT service experience to your customers is not trivial. So let's take a deeper dive and look at what you're probably accustomed to with traditional systems management platforms, right? These platforms, these systems, right, typically perform simple status polling, they accept messages, they support rudimentary correlation, and to be honest with you, this is not ideal for several reasons. First, one and done status polling of the IT infrastructure provides an unstable and unpredictable view or picture of the infrastructure. Two, if your platform is capable enough of supporting rudimentary type filtering, if you will, these rule sets can easily become quickly overcomplicated, sometimes slow, and if you're not careful, those rule sets can really omit the underlying trend or problem that's causing the service disruption, period. Three, traditional systems management platforms utilize a sliding window style architecture of data ingestion. Utilizing this method, right, the window will stay small when the infrastructure is relatively stable and there's not a lot of activity going on. That's not a bad thing. Unfortunately though, when bad things happen in the infrastructure, right, and those millions or thousands of messages are being forwarded to your systems management platform, that sliding window style architecture will open nice and wide to allow all those messages to come into the platform. Correlating events when you just had thousands or perhaps millions of messages forwarded to you becomes real problematic with a sliding window style architecture, because the farther apart in time two data points are, the harder it is to prove or determine any correlation between those points. And we all know, right, correlation does not imply causation. So simple correlations also lack the ability to properly, I'll say, mash up topological or service relationships. They typically don't have that capability at all. So pinpointing root cause, and more importantly, understanding business or true business impact, using that style of platform is almost impossible. So now let's talk about how to properly address this challenge by introducing you to a comprehensive, integrated, and extensible framework, the Optanix platform.